後來，美國的總統川普已經出發到中國，這座傳習會真受到國際關切。外界預測可能會講到晶片甲伊朗等等的議題。輝達的執行長黃仁勳馬上協調，有陪同到川普做伙去中國。
美國時間12號天氣好天，美國總統川普在咧出發前往中國之前，嘛甲大家講，會當好好期待這一場長達半年外的傳習會。
He's been a friend of mine. He's been somebody that we get along with, and I think you're going to see that good things are going to happen. This is going to be a very exciting trip. A lot of good things are going to happen.
川普只有自信講，真濟好事會發生，不過到底是什麼好事？外界開始挽鬼求神找答案。輝達聲明證實，執行長黃仁勳受到川普的邀請，同齊訪問中國，支持美國和川普政府施政目標。紐約郵報記者嘛，翕到黃仁勳本人，就徛佇咧阿拉斯加，當佇咧補充燃料的空軍1號附近。那外交方面，大家攏想要知影講，川普敢會和習近平談甲中國關係會議記錄？不過川普連面講 A， 連面佫講無。
Do you think he needs to intervene at all with the Iranians?
I don't
Do you
think
think he can help in any way?
No, I don't think we need any help with Iran. We have a lot of things to discuss. I wouldn't say Iran is one of them, to be honest with you, because we have Iran very much under control.
川普答應會甲習近平討論，叫香港政府關起來的迄團文創辦人李德興。李德興的查某囝嘛，閣一擺拜託川普救伊的爸爸。
You know, the rule of law in Hong Kong is completely broken. That this is a solution that has to be solved leader to leader. And I am confident that President Trump will be the one to free my father.
美中兩大強權領袖的峰會備受國際關注。維安當然有到最高戰級，航空追蹤網站發現有8架飛龍機之稱的美軍E-4B 飛龍機已經飛到亞洲。川普預計14號下晡參觀的北京天壇會13號到14號暫停開放。那外界傳出川普會住佇咧北京的四季酒店，無偌久才傳出會12號到15號攏無接受預訂。這幫飯店出入口嘛，卻翕到會加派真濟卡丘警察來遮倒關規矩。
Hello， 我是張新文。想要搶先掌握最及時的新聞資訊嗎？趕快訂閱、按讚、開啟小鈴鐺，鎖定華視新聞 YouTube 頻道。